I'm Matthew with Garagistic. Thanks for joining us today on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about something that's very specific to E30 drift cars. A lot of people want to use hydro setups and stuff like that, and we have come up with a good way for people to do it economically and safely. Here we have an E30 dual caliper drift bracket, and it allows you to basically weld on this bracket onto your trailing arm and allow the use of a second caliper. And that's very useful in a lot of drift applications where you basically need another caliper to engage into a drift. It's very simple, just basically requires some cleaning etiquette, just a lot of welding etiquette. Make sure that your welds are clean, everything's been grinded. As you can see, this subframe has been properly stripped from all grease and all grime and all paint and all that. That way you can get a good penetrating weld. And then after that, it's fairly simple. Nothing really changes other than that. You basically have two calipers. You're gonna have to run a second brake line just for the caliper. You could hook it up to your hydro setup there. While you're in there, some people delete their ABS wheel sensors. If you do that, that way nothing ends up going in there. We do sell ABS sensor delete plugs, and basically it's just a nice little aluminum piece that just goes right onto there. And there you have it. Thanks for joining us.